birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Akash. Happy birthday to you. Akash, you're really, really, really cute. Very, very cute brother of Bhudevi. And I just love your love for her and her love for you. Whatever I have met you, you're a wonderful, wonderful boy. Whatever you do, you'll do very well. My return gift is, my request to you is do at least one session in a week with me anywhere with our Buddhi tells, either Wednesday or Sunday. It will help you in your life a lot. One session, not one program. 6 hours I'm not asking, only 2 hours once in a week. And whichever she will tell you, you all can sit together and it will help you in your professional and personal front. So wish you all the best. Have a wonderful day, week, month, year and life. Happy birthday.
बोलो
Happy birthday,
आकाश
Akash.
Hi Akash, wish you many happy returns of the day. Keep smiling, stay happy, be safe. Bye.
Hi Akash, wish you many happy returns of the day. Enjoy your day, brother. Thank you for being with me in every situation. Be happy, be safe.
Hey bro, what's up? How are you? Wish you a very happy birthday, bro. I pray to God that you achieve all the success in your life. Have an awesome day. Enjoy your day. I know the pandemic is still being there, but I hope you enjoy your day. Have a beautiful memories on these days. Again, wish you a very happy birthday, bro.
Hey Pagal, wish you many happy returns of the day. Stay home, stay safe, and enjoy your day. I wish you all the best for your life ahead, and I know you're gonna achieve the goals you set for yourself, and I know you will do it. I have full faith in you, like as always I say. So wish you a many happy returns of the day. Rise and shine.
Many happy returns of this day, Akash. Have a wonderful day and have a blast.
Hi Akash, many happy returns of this day. God bless you. You are very talented and very sweet and such a lovely boy. Bhudevi is so proud of you, all your achievements. I really bless you that you should achieve all that you wish for and reach many heights. God bless you. All the best. Have a wonderful day. Once again, many happy returns of this day. Thank you.
And have a blast, bro. But good night. Bye-bye.
Hi Akash, wish you many happy returns of the day. God bless you with all the happiness and success in your life.
हाय आकाश.
हाय आकाश.
वाढदिवसाच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा.
वाढदिवसाच्या शुभेच्छा.
वाढदिवसाच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा. Enjoy your day. God bless you. See you soon.
Happy birthday Akash. Live long, stay blessed. A very good year ahead. So stay happy, stay live long happily. Happy birthday Akash. హాయ్, పుట్టినరోజు శుభాకాంక్షలు తమ్ముడు. నువ్వు ఇలాంటి పుట్టినరోజులు మరెన్నో జరుపుకోవాలని మనసారా కోరుకుంటున్నాను. బాయ్.
हैप्पी बर्थडे आकाश. आकाश, आप बहुत ही क्रिएटिव हो, आप बच्चों से बहुत प्यार करते हो. मैं जब भी आप घर पे आते थे तो बहुत वेदिका के साथ खेलते थे, और अभी तो आओगे तो वेदांश भी मिलेगा, वेदांश के साथ खेलने का मौका. थैंक यू वंस अगेन. हैप्पी बर्थडे.
Hi Akash. Happy birthday to you. Your best friend, best brother also. Happy birthday to you.
विश यू मेनी रिटर्न ऑफ द डे आकाश. तू एकदम फ्रेंडली राहतोस, हसत खेळत राहतोस, तुझ्यासोबत राहायला मजा येते आणि तू त्याकडून खूप काही शिकायलाही भेटतात. थँक्यू. विश यू मेनी रिटर्न ऑफ द डे. हॅपी बर्थडे टू आकाश.
पूजा, निशा, साविर और रोहित, सबके तरफ से हैप्पी बर्थडे। हैप्पी बर्थडे आकाश, लव यू।
Happy birthday, brother. I've seen you from such a younger age. Now you are such a grown up, handsome man. And of course, we went on a date. I enjoyed a lot with you. We had a lot of fun together. I would like to thank Sony for that she chose you for me to go on a date. It was a wonderful surprise that we had together. And you have you have a very bright and beautiful future, as you have such a intelligent, smart sister, you can say, who can guide you throughout your life. She is just amazing. Just take her blessing, go ahead, follow her. She can guide you like she is just a path creator. Trust me, follow her, grow in your career, keep growing. Happy birthday, God bless you.
Hi, happy birthday Akash, happy birthday Sky. Wish you many happy returns of the day. You were so cute. I mean, it's when I look at you, I feel like Ketan only. So, like you are so cute and you are cracking jokes. जो भी हम ट्रिप में जाते हैं, I love it. The way you crack the jokes and the way with you convey people and you help and when you talk and one quality I love that for you is like whenever you see you smiling face, so that is the most important thing. So whenever like कोई रूड भी रहेगा ना then जैसे तेरे को देख के ना स्माइल एंड वो सबसे बेस्ट क्वालिटी है. आई लव द वे यू बी द and you always cheer up and you always encourage everyone. You help Bhudevi, even everyone, me, Deepe, everyone, and with Subhaya Bhaiya, everyone. You're so loving, so caring. Thank you so much. Thank you and wish you many happy returns of the day once again. So we are missing you. We'll meet soon and we'll make a trip again and we'll go. Thank you so much and have a great day. Yeah? God bless you. Bye.
की दम पे मारा तोड़ा घोड़ा 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 दुम्बला की दौड़ा.
Hey, hi Akash. Many happy returns of the day, bro.
Happy birthday, Akash Baba.
Hi Akash, a very happy birthday. You're a wonderful soul. So innocent. I am very lucky to have introduced to you. You're like a brother, and thank you Bhudevi for introducing Akash to us. You all are like a family. It's my extended family. I am glad I got an opportunity कि मैं आपके लिए एक वीडियो बनाऊं. Just be the way you are. Just carry the innocence that you have with you. You're doing wonderful job. You're a wonderful son, wonderful brother, and a very responsible person. Like इतने छोटे से उम्र में there are so many things that you have taken up and you handle everything with lot of responsibility. So I really like that about you. Just keep up the good work. Just be the way you are. Keep rocking. You're an awesome personality. God bless you. May all your dreams come true. Happy birthday once again.
Happy birthday Akash. God bless you.
Hi Akash, wish you a very happy birthday. I just still see the photographs and remember you when you took out when we had gone for that trip, one day trip, and it was just wonderful. Hope you have a wonderful day. Wish you all the health, wealth and happy relationships. Have a wonderful day. Love you. Thanks for helping all of us, taking our photographs every time. Hope to have another trip with you as soon as possible. Bye-bye. Hi,
Hi,
Akash.
Akash.
Wish you a very, very, very happy birthday.
Wish you many, many happy returns of the day.
God
God bless you.
Take care.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Bola babu. Bola happy birthday. Babu happy birthday.